Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to add Twitch sub count on stream in OBS. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, we already have an account in Twitch. So I just need to go over here, then just click started and connect it with my Twitch account in here. So here you can see authorizations. Okay, click on authorizations. On it done, it will automatically redirect me to the dashboard. So when I will come over that place, I will see couple of options for waiting for me. So we just need to be keep patience here. So once it's done, you just need to be activate this one. Just click on activate it, increase your view on, then you just need to be come over that place, remind me later this one. From that place you just need to be go on to the streaming tools, just go overlays. Once you come over here, you just need to be create an overlay for your users. So here once you click over here, it will redirect you to that place. Just click on start, and now eventually you just need to click on add widget, and from that place you just need to be choose the subscribe one latest, or you can go with the goal, subscribe goal. So maybe later this one, let's select this one, maybe later, and from that place I will remove this one, subscribe, and my goal will be 20, I can say. And from that place you can change these things if you feel to change this. Once you're done, you just need to click on the save. Just click on save and give a name, subscribe, and just click the save. And here you just need to copy the URL, and then eventually you just need to come onto the overlay, and similarly you just need to add to the browser, and from this one click on and provide your link over that place. And you have just added the browser source and click to the OK, and here you can actually see this one here that your subscribe button is now looking right now. Here you can see this one. So in this way you can easily see or show your subscribe panel to your audiences easily. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to add Twitch sub count on stream. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.